Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a sales pipeline in Zoho CRM. A pipeline helps visualize your sales process and track opportunities. So let's get started. The first step is to define pipeline stages. Now you have to log into your Zoho account, and to do so just go to your web browser and search for Zoho website. After you enter the website, enter your account credentials and click on login. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, go to settings and customization and models and select the deals model. Right here, you can do that from here. Go to settings and the gear icon. Click on customization. You can do this from here and select here. Now customize the deal stages to reflect your sales process, such as prospection, proposal, and sent and closed, won and lost. Now the second step is to add deals to the pipeline. Now after you create a new pipeline, you can create it. You can have a name for it. I'll just do this name as an example and save it. Now in the deals model, click on plus new deal. Let's go for it. Let's go in deals. We're gonna create a new deal here and enter the details including deal stages, expected revenue and close dates, and assign the deal to the appropriate salesperson. Now for the third step is to track and update your pipeline. Use the Kanban view in the deals model to drag and drop deals between stages and update deal informations as they progress through the pipeline. And that's how you create and manage a pipeline in Zoho CRM. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have further more questions about this topic, feel free to leave a comment below the video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.